Okay, so today we are going to start next lesson that is about the momentum. Okay, so momentum is related to the previous topic that we have already studied, that is about the force and velocity. Okay, can you tell? You can see this picture now. Why is it a good idea to avoid a large object moving quickly? See now, heavy person running. So why this is a good idea to avoid large object to run fast? What is the reason? What force? If two persons are running, one is very heavy.
They have more force or
More what?
weight.
More weight. Then what happens with the more weight?
More force.
Slower force. So, for example, two persons are running towards you, and it looks like that they will fall on you. Heavy person and a small one. So, which person is easy to stop? You want to stop them like this? Smaller one. Yes. Why it is difficult for them? Because of their mass. Is it? So it means mass is actually the reason that that object may fall on you. You cannot stop. Okay. But one more thing. If that object, heavy object, is moving very slowly, okay, and small object coming very fast, which is dangerous for you? Heavy is coming slowly, and small is very fast. Small. Why?
Because it will have faster acceleration, it will hit you, the force will be stronger.
Okay.
The force will be stronger.
So today actually we are going to discuss this one. At the end you will see that what happened. So today we are going to discuss about the momentum. Okay. And we will discuss the relation between mass and velocity. As I told you, we will analyze the relation between mass and velocity, and we will solve the related problems about the momentum, how we calculate the momentum mathematically we will do. So first of all, what is momentum? Remember that all moving objects have moving objects. If you are walking, you have momentum. But if you are at rest, no momentum. Okay. So for the momentum, first thing is that there should be a motion, means moving object. Moving object means they should have some speed. Okay. So when there is a speed, there is a momentum. So you can read that all moving objects have momentum. This is a measure of how difficult it is to stop moving object. So if small object is moving and if large object is moving, both have same speed. So which object is difficult to stop? Speed is same. Heavy object, is it? Because one object is like this. So this is small. Both are moving with the same velocity. So of course this object has more mass, so it is difficult to stop. It means this object has more momentum. Okay. So see now if there are two cars, so faster car, both cars are same. Now if both cars have the same mass, now mass is same, but one car is moving faster than the other. If the other one is moving faster than the blue one, which one will be difficult to stop?
Yellow.
Yellow. Why? Because speed is more. Yes. So it means momentum depends upon two things now. Mass and speed. Yes, good. More the mass, more difficult to stop. More the speed, more difficult to stop. You got it now? Momentum. So momentum depends upon two things, that is the mass and speed. So mathematically we can calculate momentum by using this formula. It is mass times velocity. If there is more mass, there will be more momentum. If there is more velocity, there will be more momentum. You got? So you will just multiply both, you will get the momentum.
What is velocity then?
Velocity is speed with direction. Specific direction is will become velocity. Okay. Now tell me, what is the unit of mass? Huh? Newton? Kg. Newton is unit of weight, force or weight. Okay. So unit of mass is kg. The unit of velocity? Meter per second. Good. So what is the unit of momentum then? Yes, kg meter per second. Yes, this is unit of momentum. So unit you can derive from the formula. If you know the formula, then write the units, then you will get the new units. Okay, so kilogram meter per second is unit of momentum. Is it okay? Now you can say mass is measured in kilogram, velocity is measured in meter per second. So kilogram meter per second is unit of momentum. Is it okay? Now, as you know, formula I will write here. Momentum, remember, momentum is represented by a symbol, this one, P. It is basically not P, but you read it P. It is Greek letters, rho, but just like a P, little bit just bend. So it is momentum. Okay. So momentum is P m times V. Now momentum is scalar quantity or vector quantity? Why? Yeah, it means it has a velocity. It has a velocity or speed with direction. So that's why it is a vector quantity. Because has a velocity, so it means velocity is a vector quantity, it has a direction, so that's why it is a vector quantity. Where? Don't use mobile phone, please. I don't want to see this thing, okay? Okay. Now the heavy objects, you know that have the more momentum, and lighter objects have the less momentum. Now see, an aircraft carrier has a mass of 1,000,000 kg and the velocity of 15 meters per second. What is momentum? Who can solve this question? Here. Come. Come. Come and solve. Yes. Yes,
A boy.
Good. Good. Times. Divide? Who said divide?
Divide over multiply. Good job. Good job.
Unit?
What's the unit?
What will be unit now?
kg meter.
Meter per second.
Yes, good job.
Good. Okay. So momentum we can find by using formula mass times velocity. So mass is multiplied by 15. So answer will be This one kilogram meter per second, 50 times 10 power 6 kg. You can write 10 power 6, okay? Meter kg, meter per second. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's your turn. All of you will solve these questions. This is activity now. Okay, please open your notebook. Heading is momentum. Write the heading momentum. Write this question and solve. So let me pause the video recording. Okay. Now say mass is given, that is 200 gram. So you have to convert this mass into kilogram. How? By dividing by 1000. And speed is given, so you will use formula that is it's not written over there. So it means that product of mass times velocity. So mass is
0.2.
Yes.
Is multiplied by 2.
200 by 1000 equal to 0.2 kg, and then V is 2 meter per second, T equals to M is 0.2 times 2. Answer is
0.4 kg meter per second.
so okay. So let me check the answer. This is answer? Yeah. Yeah, this is now answer 0.4 kg meter per second. This is the answer. Okay. Next. Now a car with the momentum of momentum is given and velocity is given. You have to calculate the mass of the car. So you have to rearrange the formula. Now solve it now. Okay. Now here you have to calculate the mass. You will rearrange the formula. This is formula B equals to mv. So we have to calculate m. So you will write this. V will divide on the other side, become P by V. So momentum is given. You write 50,000 divided by 20. Okay. So what is answer now?
2,500 kg.
Yeah. See now 2,500 kg. Just for 50,000 divided by 20, you will get the 2,500 kg. Is it okay? Wait, let him come back. Next. Now in this question, they're asking a man with a mass of 70 kg walks with a momentum of 140 kg meter per second. What is his velocity? So now you have to calculate velocity. As I told you, whatever you are going to calculate, the other quantity you will divide. So which one is other now? You are calculating velocity. Which one is other? M. So M will divide on the other side. M will go on the other side. Divide. Means there are two quantities here on right side. V you are going to calculate. So extra is M. So M will go other side and divide. Do it now. And tell me the answer. Done? So what will go in the other side? Which one? M will go. M will go on the other side. Divide.
Oh, I changed the one.
This is also. And I will give us the so this is extra thing. Extra quantities will go other side. You will divide on both sides. Cancel. So we so what is P? So what is P now then? This is same as the row from. This is one row. We go here and 70.
Or back to the brother.
70
I'm saying that.
No, but this is the quantity.
kg is mass.
Is it 140 is now?
And kg, we will consider this kg. So we will, yeah.
You're looking for velocity now.
Okay.
Okay, so the mass is that.
Yes.
It's been inclusive.
Done.
Yeah.
Okay, mister.
Okay.
One second.
Again, this, listen. Again, some people are confused to rearranging equation. Whatever you have to calculate, see here you have to calculate velocity. So we need V. M is extra on this side. So whatever the extra you will divide on both sides. Okay? Because M is extra, we don't want M, we want to calculate V. So then M will cancel. So what is left now? P by M equals to V now. Now you substitute value, P is momentum. Now how you know it is momentum? Sometimes it is not given from the equation. Sorry, unit. Kg meter per second always momentum. And only kg is mass. Okay? So you will write here that is 140 divided by 7.
First 0,
Answer is
2.
So yes, the answer is 2 meter per second and 140 by 70 momentum by mass. Is it clear? All of you? Okay. Now you will solve a worksheet in the Google Classroom. Just I will show you here also.